This is how to upload an HTML website to InfinityFree. From your dashboard, select an account, then add a domain. You can either add a subdomain or a custom domain. Let's add a subdomain. Name your subdomain. Choose a domain extension. Okay, let's say greatsite.net and just click create domain. Then we will recreate directory. Then we will open in File Manager. Then we will click Upload, choose Zip and Extract, Browse, and choose your HTML file, upload and extract. And let's open this folder. We will select all and we will move it on the parent directory and move. And you can see here the files has been moved and you can open your website. So we'll open this in a new tab. And your HTML website has been uploaded. So this is how to upload an HTML file to InfinityFree.